Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome back to another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we're going to be bringing a little extra dimension to today's video because we've decided to go ahead and throw a little vintage into the mix. This includes vintage tees, vintage denim jackets, vintage varsity jackets, and of course, vintage denim jeans. These are among the most popular items to thrift for and even shop for on the secondary market, as some of these garments are extremely difficult to come by, especially in one size. Fortunately, we have some of the aforementioned items here today, and we'll be styling them with some of our most popular items and some things that just released. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the first piece. Probably the most popular commodity of the group, we have here the vintage graphic tee. Generally speaking, nostalgia and the right fit are prioritized when searching for the right graphic vintage t-shirt. These tees come in all sizes and shapes and fits. Some can be boxy, oversized, and crop, and others will be more true to size and a bit of a slimmer fit. This tee I'm wearing here is a corn vintage tee on a giant tag. As you can see, it is more true fitting tee. For that reason, I did decide to go ahead and style it with a more relaxed pair of bottoms, and that is our patchwork cargo pants. Our patchwork cargo pants is one of our newest offerings in collaboration with Cody Phillips, a young and talented LA designer. The attention to detail on this pair is truly unmatched. From the alternating textures to the contrasting materials and hardware to the use of different hues of green, this pair of pants truly makes a statement. More than that, they fit nicely with a generally relaxed fit throughout and a texture that is pliable but doesn't sacrifice in quality or structure. I went simple with the sneakers in the form of an all-white pair of Air Force Ones due to the elaborate nature of the pants, and that was outfit number one. Our next featured vintage piece is the vintage denim jeans. What makes thrifting these a bit more difficult is due to age, wear, and washing. It's going to be very tricky to find the right pair that fits correctly. However, on that same note, these same elements make for an excellent pair of denim jeans. Let me explain. Age, wear, and washing makes for a pair of denim that has a story behind them, that gives them a little bit more character, and truth be told, makes them one of a kind. So for this outfit, I did go ahead and style my faded black pair of orange tab Levi's with our missing pocket tee and the collared work jacket. Between the fade on both garments to the paint splatters on the missing pocket tee, these pieces work perfectly together in synchrony to give you that workwear look aesthetic. Side note, I recommend acting quickly if you're contemplating purchasing the collared work jacket, as it was a highly requested restock, and as such, it is estimated that it will sell out fairly quickly, which does make sense because the vintage treated outer shell canvas, chunky hardware, quilted nylon lining shows the amount of attention to detail and quality that went into designing this product. Moving on, we have the vintage varsity jacket. This style of vintage jacket has really risen in popularity over the past few years, and from what it looks like, this trend is going nowhere soon. This specific one is from the 1960s, and I've honestly never seen anything like it. The body portion is made up of a thick faded blue fabric, almost emulating a thick cotton cardigan, with the arms being comprised of premium leather. I styled this piece with one of my favorite pairs of jeans at the moment in my entire wardrobe, the B118 Flare Denim. This pair of denim fits amazing and comes with incredible details. Those details include front panels that feature contrasting double knee outlines, which really gives off that workwear vintage look. I went true to size with this pair, but did end up doing a DIY to adjust the length of them. Feel free to hit the link in the description below to watch the tutorial as to how I went ahead and did the DIY. It's super simple and easy to do at home. I digress. I went ahead and finished this look with a pair of Reebok Club C's, keeping everything neutral all the way down to the toe. Now, for this last piece and the last outfit of the day, we're going to be styling the classic vintage denim jacket. It's not easy to find the right denim jacket, although it seems kind of common when you're out and about. It took me years to find this one personally, from the wash to the way it falls to how it's aged, distressed, and of course it has to fit right. It honestly takes a lot to satisfy the criteria that makes for the right denim jacket. Now, for this outfit, I went with a white t-shirt as a base layer and our vintage cargos in olive. To me, this is a very spring outfit, but due to the fact that it was fairly sunny that day, I felt like this outfit was befitting. Overall, this fit is pretty simple, and I'd go as far as to say it's minimalist. The proportions work very well together to provide a clean but bold statement in regard to how everything fits. The vintage cargos are an absolute reliable go-to for me because they serve to be a versatile classic, which makes them both extremely reliable and easy to wear for any outfit and occasion. But with that being said, out of these 4 outfits today, which one was your personal favorite? I'd love to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section down below. If you did enjoy today's video, please let us know by subscribing to the channel and of course hitting that thumbs up button to help us out with the YouTube algorithm. As always, we really do appreciate the continued support from our amazing minimal community, and as always, I'll see you guys again next week for another Minimal Monday.